Mastering project management. Strategies, tools, and skills for success. Explore the essentials of project management, including methodologies, tools, and best practices for achieving project success across various industries. Understanding project management. Definition and importance. Project management is a structured approach that involves leading a team to achieve specific objectives within defined constraints of scope, time, and budget. The discipline is crucial not only for ensuring that projects align with a company's strategic goals but also for effectively allocating resources and achieving desired outcomes. Effective project management has been shown to significantly enhance project success rates, with organizations that prioritize it reporting success rates of over 70%. This framework enhances communication and collaboration among team members, ultimately leading to improved stakeholder satisfaction and a greater likelihood of meeting project goals. For instance, consider a software development company embarking on a new application project. Through effective project management, the team can coordinate tasks, manage timelines, and address potential challenges. The application can be developed in phases, with regular feedback loops that help align the final deliverable with user expectations, thereby ensuring that the final product is delivered on time and meets customer specifications. The importance of project management transcends individual projects, influencing the overall performance of the organization by fostering a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. In addition, project management brings structure to the chaotic nature of project work. By setting clear objectives and defining roles, it mitigates risks associated with miscommunication and misalignment of goals. This structured approach not only aids in the successful completion of specific projects but also contributes to the long-term growth and adaptability of organizations in a rapidly changing business environment. Historical context and evolution of project management. The roots of project management can be traced back to engineering and construction, with significant contributions from pioneers like Henry Gantt, known for the Gantt chart, and Henri Fayol, who introduced management principles that are still relevant today. The modern era of project management began in the 1950s, marking the formalization of project management as a distinct discipline. The establishment of the Project Management Institute, PMI, in 1969 was pivotal in standardizing practices and methodologies across the industry, providing a platform for professionals to share knowledge and best practices. An example of early organized project management techniques can be seen in the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This monumental project required meticulous planning, resource allocation, and coordination of thousands of workers, showcasing the need for structured processes long before the formal discipline was established. The complexity of such projects laid the groundwork for modern practices, demonstrating how effective management can overcome significant logistical challenges. The evolution of project management has been influenced by various industries and technological advancements. As projects became more complex and diverse, the need for specialized methodologies and tools emerged. Today, project management encompasses a wide range of practices and approaches, adapting to the unique requirements of different sectors, from information technology to healthcare and construction. This adaptability is a testament to the discipline's relevance and importance in today's business landscape. Project management methodologies. Project management methodologies provide frameworks that guide the planning, execution, and monitoring of projects. Key methodologies include Agile, Waterfall, Scrum, and Kanban, each tailored to project types and environments. Agile, for example, emphasizes flexibility and iterative progress, making it particularly effective for software development projects where requirements may evolve over time. In contrast, the waterfall methodology follows a linear approach, which is best suited for projects with well-defined stages and requirements, allowing for a structured progression from one phase to the next. A practical illustration of these methodologies can be seen in a tech company's approach to product development. Using Agile allows the team to respond rapidly to user feedback during the development process, making adjustments that ensure the final product resonates with market needs. Conversely, employing Waterfall for a construction project, where the requirements are clear and unlikely to change, enables the team to follow a strict sequence of phases, from design to execution, ensuring that each step is completed satisfactorily before moving on to the next. Moreover, the choice of methodology can significantly impact project outcomes. Organizations must carefully consider their specific project requirements, team competencies, and stakeholder expectations when selecting a methodology. The integration of hybrid methodologies, which combine elements of both Agile and Waterfall, has also gained traction as organizations seek to leverage the strengths of multiple approaches to address the complexities of modern projects. Project management tools and software to enhance productivity and streamline processes. A variety of tools and software are commonly used in project management. Tools like Gantt charts, dashboards, and task management applications assist project managers in tracking progress and resource allocation effectively. Over 100 tools exist for rapid assessments of project health, with checklists being a popular method for ensuring that all tasks are addressed. These tools facilitate communication and collaboration, providing teams with real-time insights into project status and resource utilization. For instance, project management software like Monday.com or Trello can facilitate collaboration among team members, enabling real-time updates and task tracking, which is essential for ensuring that projects stay on schedule. These platforms often include features such as file sharing, commenting, and notifications, promoting transparency and accountability among team members. Furthermore, the adoption of automation tools has transformed project management practices. By automating routine tasks such as status updates, deadline reminders, and report generation, project managers can focus on strategic decision-making rather than getting bogged down by administrative duties. This increased efficiency can lead to faster project delivery and improved overall performance, allowing organizations to respond more effectively to changing demands and challenges. Skills required for effective project management. Effective project management requires a diverse set of skills that enable project managers to lead teams successfully. Key skills include leadership, communication, risk management, and stakeholder engagement. Additionally, emotional intelligence and adaptability have become increasingly important in navigating the complexities of modern projects. Strong negotiation skills are also vital for resolving conflicts and securing necessary resources efficiently, ensuring that projects remain on track despite challenges. For example, a project manager at a construction firm must regularly communicate with various stakeholders, including architects, contractors, and clients, ensuring that everyone is aligned and that any potential risks are addressed proactively. The ability to listen actively and respond to concerns can significantly impact stakeholder satisfaction and project success. Moreover, developing time management skills is crucial for ensuring that project deadlines are met without compromising quality. Effective project managers prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and monitor progress closely, ensuring that the project remains on schedule. Continuous professional development through training and workshops can help project managers refine these skills and stay updated on industry best practices, enhancing their ability to lead successful projects. In addition to technical skills, project managers must also cultivate a strong understanding of the industry in which they operate. This knowledge enables them to anticipate challenges, understand regulatory requirements, and effectively engage with stakeholders, all of which contribute to the overall success of their projects. Project management lifecycle. The project management lifecycle consists of 5 critical phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. Each phase is essential for managing resources, timelines, and expectations effectively. The initiation phase involves defining project goals and obtaining stakeholder approval, while the planning phase sets the roadmap for execution, detailing tasks, timelines, and resources needed. Execution brings the project to life, and monitoring ensures that progress aligns with established goals and timelines. Finally, closure involves evaluating project outcomes and documenting lessons learned for future reference. An illustrative case is a marketing campaign. During the initiation phase, goals such as increasing brand awareness or driving sales are set, and the project team is assembled. The planning phase involves developing a timeline, budget, and marketing strategies, while execution entails launching the campaign across various channels. Monitoring ensures that metrics such as engagement and conversion rates are tracked, and adjustments are made as needed to optimize outcomes. The closure phase includes conducting a thorough evaluation of the campaign's effectiveness and identifying areas for improvement in future initiatives. Moreover, understanding the lifecycle enables project managers to apply the right tools and techniques at each stage. For example, during the planning phase, utilizing risk assessment tools can help identify potential challenges early, allowing for proactive mitigation strategies. Similarly, during the monitoring phase, employing performance metrics and KPIs can provide valuable insights into project health, enabling timely adjustments to keep the project on track. Industry applications and benefits of project management. Project management is applicable across various industries, including IT, construction, finance, and healthcare. Its practices enhance efficiency and outcomes, aligning with global sustainability goals and addressing complex challenges highlighted by initiatives such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Effective project management can lead to substantial cost savings through better resource management, with estimates suggesting savings of up to 30%. This financial benefit is achieved through improved planning, reduced waste, and optimized resource allocation. For instance, in the healthcare sector, project management is critical for implementing new technologies or facilities, enabling organizations to comply with regulations while ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. A healthcare provider launching a new electronic health record system must navigate various challenges, including training staff and ensuring data security. Effective project management ensures that these challenges are addressed systematically, reducing the risk of costly delays and ensuring a smooth transition. Moreover, the benefits of project management extend beyond financial savings. Effective project management fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement, enhancing team morale and stakeholder satisfaction. By engaging stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle, organizations can ensure that their needs are met, resulting in higher levels of buy-in and support for project initiatives. This collaborative approach can lead to innovative solutions and improved project outcomes, ultimately driving organizational success. Importance across industries. The significance of project management extends across various industries, from construction to IT, where it drives efficiency and effectiveness. By employing standardized methodologies, organizations can streamline processes, manage risks, and achieve project goals more consistently. Project management aligns with broader objectives, such as sustainability, as seen in initiatives addressing global issues highlighted by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This alignment is critical as organizations face increasing pressure to demonstrate their commitment to social responsibility and sustainable practices. In the realm of construction, for example, project management is essential for ensuring that projects are delivered on time and within budget while adhering to safety regulations. The construction of a new bridge requires careful coordination among various stakeholders, including engineers, contractors, and local authorities. Effective project management ensures that all parties are aligned, project milestones are met, and any potential risks are mitigated, ultimately resulting in a successful project. Furthermore, project management's applicability across industries demonstrates its versatility and value. As organizations navigate an increasingly complex business landscape, the ability to manage projects effectively becomes a key differentiator. This adaptability allows organizations to respond to changing market conditions, implement innovative solutions, and remain competitive in their respective fields. Certifications and professional development. In project management, certifications offer a pathway for aspiring project managers to validate their skills and knowledge. Notable certifications include CAPM for foundational skills and PMP for comprehensive project management expertise. PMI membership also provides access to various resources, networking opportunities, and continuous professional development, which are essential for staying current in the field. These credentials are recognized globally and can significantly enhance career prospects, making them valuable investments for professionals looking to advance in their careers. A project manager seeking to enhance their credentials may pursue a PMP certification, which requires several years of experience and demonstrates a deep understanding of project management principles and practices. This certification not only boosts individual confidence but also signals to employers a commitment to the profession and a mastery of essential skills. Moreover, continuous professional development through workshops, seminars, and online courses is critical for project managers to remain relevant in a rapidly evolving field. As new methodologies and technologies emerge, ongoing education helps professionals adapt and refine their skills, ensuring that they are equipped to manage increasingly complex projects. For example, training in AI tools for project management can provide valuable insights into data analysis, enhancing decision-making and project outcomes. In addition to formal certifications, networking with other professionals in the field can lead to valuable insights and mentorship opportunities. Engaging with industry organizations, attending conferences, and participating in online forums can help aspiring project managers build relationships and gain access to resources that can further their careers. Best practices and techniques for successful project management. Successful project management involves several best practices that enhance project execution. Investing in thorough planning, managing project scope, and actively engaging stakeholders are vital components of successful project outcomes. Maintaining transparency and selecting the appropriate methodology are also crucial for navigating project complexities. Regularly revisiting and updating project plans can help accommodate changes and minimize risks. For example, in a software development project, implementing feedback loops allows the team to learn from previous iterations, improving overall performance and increasing the likelihood of meeting project goals. Engaging stakeholders early and often ensures that their needs are considered, leading to higher satisfaction with the final product. Moreover, fostering a culture of open communication within the project team can enhance collaboration and problem-solving. Encouraging team members to share their insights and concerns can lead to innovative solutions and a more cohesive working environment. This collaborative atmosphere not only improves team dynamics but also contributes to the overall success of the project. Implementing risk management strategies is another best practice that can significantly impact project outcomes. By identifying potential risks early in the project lifecycle and developing mitigation plans, project managers can minimize disruptions and keep the project on track. Regular risk assessments throughout the project ensure that new challenges are addressed proactively, allowing teams to adapt quickly and maintain momentum. Challenges and future trends in project management. As projects become increasingly complex, emerging trends such as the integration of artificial intelligence and hybrid methodologies are reshaping project management practices. The need for rapid assessment methods is growing, balancing speed, appropriateness, and reliability in evaluations. Additionally, the rise of remote work emphasizes the necessity for technology that facilitates collaboration across distributed teams. For instance, using AI tools can help project managers analyze data trends and make informed decisions quickly, thereby enhancing the overall efficiency of project management processes. These tools can automate routine tasks, analyze risks, and provide insights into project performance, allowing project managers to focus on strategic planning and execution. Moreover, the adoption of hybrid methodologies, which combine elements of both Agile and Waterfall approaches, is becoming more common as organizations seek to leverage the strengths of multiple strategies to address the complexities of modern projects. This flexibility allows teams to adapt their approaches based on project requirements, stakeholder needs, and changing market conditions. As remote work continues to be a prevalent trend, the demand for collaborative technologies is increasing. Tools that facilitate virtual meetings, document sharing, and real-time collaboration are essential for maintaining productivity and team cohesion in a remote environment. Effective project management in this context requires a keen understanding of how to leverage technology to foster collaboration and ensure that project objectives are met, regardless of team members' physical locations. The future of project management will likely be shaped by these trends, requiring professionals to adapt and evolve their skills continually. Embracing technology and innovative methodologies will be essential for staying competitive and ensuring project success in an increasingly dynamic business landscape.